My elder brother, Honorable Ayato, has already spoken. I came late, so he was inside, but we already got the deliberation. As usual, we're here to stand in solidarity, of course, with Malam Nasir El-Rufai over the persecution he's going through. I heard they've adjourned till the next bill hearing on the 14th. And we're hoping when we come there, a decision will be made. There's no point delaying anything, but we still believe in the rule of law. I hope justice should prevail, not just because it's Malam Nasir, but I think to every Nigerian citizen, it's what matters that we focus on that. So we want to appreciate you all for coming, including the supporters of Malam Nasir El-Rufai for being here. And by the grace of God, it shall be well. But I think Malam has...
Here. Ship back, come back, it's on. The ATV, kawai ake yi shifting. Wallahi. Kaga duka su hannunsu. Please, sorry. Push them now. Where are you? Don't put the camera now. Huh? Tell us what transpired in court today. Well, the bail application was argued and responded to, and the ruling on that bill has been fixed for the 14th of April. We look forward to that date. We'll be in court. Any lawyer will be hopeful. We are hopeful. We have put our arguments before the court, and this is a court of justice. We look forward to the decision of the court. Thank you.
Sorry, sir, one last question, sir. April 10, you'll be returning to the Federal High Court.
14th.
Yeah, I know. April 10, you'll be returning to the Federal High Court in Abuja. Are you ready for that?
That's a separate one. Every lawyer, we are ready. We filed the papers. They will go there. That's the DSS matter.
Yes.
We'll go there.
Thank you very much. We know you.
Well, has it been granted bail?
No. The bail application was taken today.
Okay.
So the ruling comes up on the 14th. Okay. That's all there is. My senior will be here in a minute. Okay. So please, you'll attend to any further questions you have.
Central. Wasu tafi kuma ga motar. Da sai da kan shi ne kumbare mu shi kare. Shetima yabi. Ana ce shi ga gashi ba gashi yana ci da yawa ni ma kai ci ne ana ce mishi ga gashi ta ba shi a wani
Saidu, me yasa kana yi mana haka? Kada ka sake shiga irin wannan abun fa. Sai ka duka shi shiga shop da kai. Tega na mu magana. Tega.
Sir, you have not spoken to us before. No, sir, I want to talk to you. It has been long. It's not granted.
Call him, let him come here direct.